Dear students, look at this picture. Could you see a bird? Can you tell something about this bird? The bird is small. It is red. It looks beautiful. It can also be said a small bird, a red bird, a beautiful bird. The words small, red, beautiful describe the bird. As we all know, a is an article. Here, bird is the noun. Small, red and beautiful are the adjectives. The words that describe the noun are called adjectives. By this, we come to know that adjectives give more information about the noun. Let's see some more examples. Have a look at this picture. It is a cake. Can you describe the cake now? It is round. It is soft. A round cake, a soft cake. Here, the words round and soft describe the cake. They are the adjectives. Look at this tree. Can you describe this tree now? The tree is huge. A huge tree. Here, huge is the adjective which describes the noun tree. Likewise, adjectives qualify a noun or a pronoun. Okay students, let us see how we can find out an adjective in a sentence. Adjectives can tell about color, shape, size, order, taste, weather, texture, sound and number. Examples are for color, red, blue, green. For size, big, small, little. For shape, round, square, triangular. For order, fresh, stinky, pleasant. For taste, sweet, bitter, tangy. For weather, clear, dry, foggy. For texture, soft, hard, spongy. For sound, faint, loud, meek. For number, few, many, two. Let us see some more examples with the help of a picture. See the picture and identify the adjective. Short boy. Here, short is the adjective. Brown dog. Here, brown is the adjective. Two boys. Here, two is the adjective. Many lollipops. Here, many is the adjective. Okay students, identify the adjectives from these sentences. This book is useful. Which is the adjective here? Yes, useful is the adjective which tells about the usefulness of the book. I have a blue car. Can you find out which is the adjective? It's blue. Here, blue tells about the color of my car. Now, let's move on to the degrees of comparison. Why do we compare? We compare to highlight the difference between objects, people and places. There are 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Look at this picture and sentence. The elephant is big. Now, compare these two animals, the elephant and the horse. The elephant is bigger than the horse. Now compare these 3 animals. The elephant is the biggest of all. Now look at the first sentence. The elephant is big. Here, big is the adjective that denotes the positive degree. Here, no comparison is made. Thus, positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place without any comparison. Now, look at the second sentence. The elephant is bigger than the horse. Here, bigger is the adjective that denotes the comparative degree. Here, elephant is compared to the horse. two animals are compared here, the elephant and the horse. Thus, comparative degree is used to compare two objects, people or places. Now, let's move on to the third sentence. The elephant is the biggest of all. Here, biggest is the adjective that denotes the superlative degree. Here we are comparing three animals, the elephant, the horse and the cat. Thus, superlative degree is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. Now, you can notice the change that happens in an adjective is the main reason for the change in the degree of comparison of a sentence. Positive degree is used when there is no comparison. Comparative degree is used for comparing two objects. Superlative degree is used for comparing more than two objects. Let's see some more examples. Look at this picture and sentence. The bee is small. Now compare these two pictures, the bee and the butterfly. The bee is smaller than the butterfly. Now compare these three pictures. The bee is the smallest of all. Now look at the first sentence. The bee is small. It denotes a positive degree. Here no comparison is made. Now look at the second sentence. The bee is smaller than the butterfly. Here smaller is the adjective that denotes a comparative degree. Here the bee is compared with the butterfly. Two insects are compared here, the bee and the butterfly. Let's move on to the third sentence. The bee is the smallest of all. Here, smallest is the adjective that denotes a superlative degree. Here, we are comparing three, the bee, the butterfly and the bird. Look at this picture and sentence. My grandfather is old. Now, compare these two images, the grandfather and the father. My grandfather is older than my father. Now compare these three images. My grandfather is the oldest of all. Let's see the first sentence. My grandfather is old. Here, old is the adjective that denotes a positive degree. No comparison is made here. Now look at the second sentence. My grandfather is older than my father. Here, older is the adjective that denotes a comparative degree. Here, the grandfather is compared with the father. Here, two people are compared, the grandfather and the father. Let's move on to the third sentence. My grandfather is oldest of all. Here, oldest is the adjective that denotes a superlative degree. Here, we are comparing three people, the grandfather, father and son. Let's see one more example. Look at this picture and sentence. The rose is beautiful. Now compare these two pictures, the rose and the sunflower. The rose is more beautiful than the sunflower. Now compare these three pictures. The rose is the most beautiful flower. Now look at the first sentence. The rose is beautiful. Here, beautiful is the adjective that denotes the positive degree. No comparison is made here. Look at the second sentence. The rose is more beautiful than the sunflower. Here, more beautiful is the adjective that denotes a comparative degree. The rose and the sunflower are compared here. Let's move on to the third sentence. The rose is the most beautiful flower. Here, most beautiful is the adjective that denotes a superlative degree. Here, three things are compared, rose, sunflower and lily. So students, you can now identify the positive, comparative and superlative degrees, isn't it? To identify whether the sentence is in positive, comparative or superlative, there is a simple tip. Just have a look at these three types of sentences. The cat is small. It is in the positive degree. The cat is smaller than the horse. It is in the comparative degree. The cat is the smallest of all. It is in the superlative degree. Here, small is the positive degree, smaller is the comparative degree, and smallest is in the superlative degree. For the positive degree, there is no change in the adjective. For comparative degree, we add er to the adjective followed by than. For the superlative degree, we add est to the adjective preceded by the. If the sentence has an er or more form of adjective followed by than, it is usually a comparative sentence. Likewise, an adjective ending with est preceded by the will definitely be a superlative sentence. Students, identify whether these sentences are in the positive, comparative or superlative degree. Are you ready? Sam is older than me. Can you guess in which degree is the sentence? Yes, older than denotes a comparative degree. Therefore, this sentence is in the comparative degree. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Can you guess which type of sentence it is? Yes, the highest denotes the superlative degree. Therefore, this sentence is in the superlative degree. They live in a beautiful house. Can you guess? Yes, beautiful is in the positive degree. Here, no comparison is made. Therefore, this sentence is in the positive degree. Let's recall. Students, what did we learn in this video? We learned that words that describe the noun or pronoun are called adjectives. And we learned about the 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. You have learned how to identify the 3 degrees of comparison. In the next video, let's see how to transform one degree to the other. Thank you.